My goal here is to create a rubric for this assignment. So I am going to start off by copying the body of the assignment. And then I'm going to go to Google Classroom where I'm going to click on Gemini, then create a rubric. I'm going to enter in the information here that it requests, and this is where I'm going to paste the assignment. Separately, I'm going to make sure I have my engineering standards that align perfectly with this assignment. And back in this creation window, I'm going to paste those here where it says describe the knowledge or skills you want the students to demonstrate. From here, it's going to generate the learning objectives that it recommends, and you can click generate rubric. Here is the rubric that was created using the Gemini tool. And if you would like to know how to use this in Google Classroom, click on the next video.